Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's me, KirraB. So, today's video is really exciting. Today I'm going to be making Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. So, as some of you may know, I went to New York at the start of the year, and one thing I was told that I really needed to try was Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. Magnolia Bakery banana pudding is basically like a whole bunch of whipped cream, Nilla wafers, which is like a little vanilla cookie, banana, and pudding, obviously, and then sweetened condensed milk. So all of that kind of laid up together, and it just makes this absolutely delicious dessert. Magnolia Bakery is a bakery in America that's really well known for doing really amazing cakes and cupcakes, but also really well known for their banana pudding. The first time I went to a Magnolia Bakery, there was a line out the door and it was just so busy inside. It was really packed in there. And I got in and I got a slice of cake, I got some banana pudding, and I got a hot chocolate, and it was so good. I actually only had it twice, which I was really sad about because I was so busy while I was in New York that I only had time to get it twice. So because I only had it twice and I really miss it, and I really miss New York, we're gonna make Magnolia Bakery banana pudding today. One thing that I am really sad about is that there is no Magnolia Bakery in Australia. Like, there is just none. I actually slid into their DMs at one point and I was like, I love you, come over. And they were like, no. They left me on red. They're just playing hard to get, it's all good. Anyway, one other problem that I did run into is that Australia does not have Nilla wafers, which is one of the ingredients that you need to make banana pudding. So before I make the banana pudding, I'm going to quickly whip up some Nilla wafers from scratch because I've decided that instead of just substituting for something else, I want to make like authentic banana pudding. Is authentic the right word? We're just going with authentic. We're just gonna make it the correct way. So I'm going to use a whole bunch of ingredients, obviously, and make some Nilla wafers, and then I'm gonna put the Nilla wafers in the banana pudding. When I first heard of Magnolia Bakery banana pudding, I thought it was just like this stuff, but just banana flavored, and this is just instant pudding. And I've had this stuff once, and I can tell you it's like, okay, it's nothing I'm gonna go and tell my friends and family about, but it was like, it's all right, I guess. It's not just this stuff. There's vanilla pudding in it, which is why it's called pudding, but there's so much more to it. It's a slice of heaven, and we're gonna make it today. All right, so I'm gonna quickly whip up some Nilla wafers, and then we're gonna get into making this banana pudding. Let's do this. All right, first things first, I'm the realist. I'm gonna tie my hair up because hygiene is key. Wait, so the first thing we need to do, oh wait, okay, so this is off to a great start. I need to preheat the oven first. Wrap that bad boy up. Okay, slowly add in egg whites and mix until smooth. Okay, so I just finished making the Nilla wafers. I have just put 2 trays into the oven and I have a whole bunch more. I reckon that's probably at least 3 trays more. But geez, I'm like aggressive. But I reckon what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start making the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. That's such a mouthful. I'm gonna start making the banana pudding and I'll just kind of like hang out. I think I've got to beat together the sweetened condensed milk and water until well combined. Add the pudding mix and beat well. Refrigerate. I can't make this until like tomorrow basically. By the time we eat this, it will be midnight. We're gonna have to eat this tomorrow by the looks of things. I should have read the instructions. I have to refrigerate the whole pudding mixture for 3 to 4 hours, which I haven't done. And I have to layer everything up when I make the banana pudding and then chill it for 4 to 8 hours. So we're gonna be eating this tomorrow, unless I want to make it all now and eat it at midnight. Probably not. I've just gotta wait until those are done. So I'm going to start making the pudding mixture now. And then I'm gonna refrigerate that for 3 to 4 hours. Let's make this pudding mixture. Okay, I'm just adding a can of sweetened condensed milk into the bowl. I've got to add 1.5 cups of ice cold water. So I just got this jug out of the fridge. And we're gonna add 1.5 cups. Okay, so next up I have to add the pudding mixture. So I'm adding this vanilla instant pudding to this mixture. That smells really good. Just kidding. And now I just have to let this set for 3 to 4 hours. Then it's ready to go, but I'm gonna let it set overnight because I think we'll make this tomorrow and come back to me. There we go, okay. So at the moment it's just a big bowl of liquid, but hopefully by tomorrow it's more of a pudding consistency and then we can add it to our whipped cream, layer everything up and then let it set. Okay, so we've had a bit of a baking fail. Some of the Nilla wafers did stick together. I think I got a little bit excited with the amount of mixture I was using, but it's okay because by the time I do all the layering and this all gets set and everything like that, it's not even gonna matter. Oh no, a piece fell into my mouth. They're actually really good. Okay guys, it's day 2. We're back making banana pudding. Our vanilla pudding is looking pretty nice. I'm gonna give you a close up. Look at that squishy stuff. Is this ASMR? Hang on, I'm gonna put this on ASMR. You ready for this? Alright, so our pudding mixture is beautiful, it's all set, it's looking fabulous today. And we're going to now do our whipped cream, which I have this mixing machine and a giant whisk that I'm going to attach to it. I just need the other bit. I'm going to attach this properly. And we need to whisk together 3 cups of heavy cream. So thickened cream, as it's called in Australia, the extra thick stuff with 3 C's. We're gonna mix this and whip it all up and then fold in our pudding mix. So let's do that now. Get off the spoon. In a large bowl in a large bowl, whip heavy cream, thick cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the pudding mixture until no streaks of pudding remain. And then we have to layer everything. We also have the remainder of our Nilla wafers. I did eat some yesterday because they were delicious, but there's a whole bunch of them and some of them are a little bit extra crispy because my mum does actually enjoy some crispy cookies. So I made some of them crispy and then some of them not. So yeah, I mean, they're going to be in the pudding anyway, but maybe they'll have like a little bit of extra crispy flavor to them. Anyway, so let's whip this cream. Alright, so I've just finished whipping the cream and now I'm going to fold the whipped cream into the vanilla pudding mixture. So let's do that. Alright, so I feel like this is pretty well mixed up. I do have a couple of like little lumps in there, which is a bit annoying. So I think some of the pudding just like really stuck together and it's being really stubborn, but otherwise this looks pretty good. Just a little bit lumpy with pudding. I have stirred it for a while to try and get the lumps out, but there's still quite a few. Need a Nilla wafer break. Okay, so I've just finished layering the banana pudding and it's looking really beautiful. I can't wait to eat this. I'm now gonna put it in the fridge for 4 to 8 hours. So I'm probably just gonna put it in the fridge for 4 because I really wanna eat this. So let's do that and we'll see how it comes out. excited. I can't wait to see if this tastes like actual Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. I put a lid on it just because I wanted to, so it looks delicious. I'm so excited. Let's just go for it. It's just like it. It tastes exactly the same. Oh my God. It's so good. To Christy Denny on thegirlwhoateeverything.com who posted this recipe, thank you so much. It's amazing and it tastes so good. This is literally like my favorite dessert of all time. I'm so happy. I'm in literal food heaven right now. It's literally exactly the same. It's perfect. So I wanted to say thank you to Gemma Stafford on Gemma's Bigger Bolder Baking. Thank you so much for your recipe on Nilla wafers. That was really, really helpful and they tasted delicious. And I wanted to thank Christy Denny on thegirlwhoateeverything.com for your recipe on Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. It was amazing. Thank you so much. And I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried Magnolia Bakery banana pudding before or if you're going to give this recipe a shot. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell button so that you get notifications every single time that I post. I love you all very, very much and I will see you in the next video. Bye.